Om Shakti. Welcome to this series. Today we begin a very special journey with the Mahishasuramardhini Stotram, a glorious hymn written by the great saint Adi Shankaracharya. He composed this stotram to celebrate goddess Durga, the protector of the world, the slayer of demons, and the mother of all beings. Every line of this hymn is like a drum beat of courage. It fills hearts with joy, strength, and light. It is written in the Shravanabharanam meter, making it melodic, musical, and perfectly suited for chanting. When recited, it invites Durga's energy, her protection, her love, and her bravery. Each day we will share a short story from the Stotram, a little scene from Devi's adventures, so everyone can learn, chant, and feel the magic together. Today's first shloka tells us about this magical moment where Durga came to protect the world. One day, the earth was very tired. So many bad Rakshasas are troubling me, she cried. The gods prayed on a big, tall mountain. Suddenly, flash! A big golden light came from all of them. Out of that light came a beautiful girl with 10 arms. What's her name?
Durga Devi.
Yes, sitting on a roaring lion. She said, "Don't worry, I am
Durga.
I will fight for you." You want to roar like a lion?
Yeah.
Roar?
Roar, roar.
Roar, roar. Shall we chant the shloka?
Yeah.
Aigiri Nandini
I did Nandini.
Nandita Medini
Nandita Medini.
Vishwa Vinodini
Vishwa Vinodini.
Nandanute
Nandanute.
Girivara Vindya
Girivara Vindya.
Shirodini Vasini
Shirojini Vasini.
Vishnu Vilasini
Vishnu Vilasini.
Jishnunute
Jishnunute.
Bhagavati
Bhagavati.
Hesiti
Hesiti.
Kantha Kutumbini
Kanta Kutupini.
Bhuri Kutumbini
Bhuri Kumbini.
Bhurinute
Bhurinute.
Jaya Jaya
Jaya Jaya.
Hey.
Hey.
Let's say this together, okay? Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini Ramyakabardhini Shailasute. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura. Say with me. Mardini Ramyakabardhini Shailasute. Like this we will do, okay? You like this? Now let's understand the meaning of this shloka. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandinute. O daughter of the mountains, you bring joy to the whole world. Girivara Vindya Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute. Dwelling atop the peaks of Vindhya and Himalaya, you are adored by Vishnu and other victorious gods. Bhagavati Heshiti Kantha Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Krite. O goddess, beloved of Shiva, mother of countless families, doer of great deeds. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardhini Ramyakabardhini Shailasute. Victory, victory to you, O Mahishasura slayer, beautifully adorned daughter of the mountains. Now let's chant it again twice slowly so that it will be in one beautiful flow. ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Today we learned our first shloka of the Mahishasuramardhini Stotram. It tells the story of Devi coming to protect the earth, bringing joy and courage. Each day we will learn a new verse, a new story, so that everyone can chant and understand together. May Goddess Durga bless all with strength, courage and joy. May her lion's roar chase away fear, and may her gentle smile fill hearts with light. Whenever you chant, Devi is right there, protecting, guiding and loving. Tomorrow we will see how Durga receives her magical weapons and her mighty lion to fight demons. Om Shakti.